Dad. Why is it customary for a woman to cook in a marriage?
Well, by law, you have to feed the prisoner.
Dang.
Oh man. Hey, come on, man.
Men have like this thing in them when they see their woman doing certain things. It's like just like women have it in men. Like when they see men doing certain things, like that sometimes women see a man like putting together a shelf and they're like, ooh, like, or whatever it is that you see a man doing and you're like, yeah, that's manly. Like men have the same thing. So when a man sees a woman do certain things that are in their feminine, like cooking, like I love watching a woman cook.
Love it.
I'm like, and that's for me. Yeah.
That's what I'm like, why'd you not hate it? So it's like,
I'm like, I love watching a woman
for me and my belly's full, like, the world is yours, you know, like.
Yeah, I love
it's the oyster, like, what?
Like, you know what that is, right?
Yeah.
That's what it is, right?
Hello, welcome to Reactions and Reviews. I'm your humble host, Eze. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the show.
A woman that can cook is top tier. I'm not leaving the house. Work home. Work home. If she can cook and she throw it on you, I love you, Stan. I'm not going nowhere. No. Why are you being weird to me? No.
Men in America are just like men all over the world. And what do I mean by that? Most men are simple men. We don't ask for much. Respect, feed us, do not talk too much, and give us good sex. Ladies, if you can give a man these things, that man will make you happy. He will give you the world. That's how simple men are. Not just American men. Men all over the world.
My name is Rachel MMIZ. So today we are asking on the streets of Lagos, do you honestly think that it is mandatory for a woman to know how to cook before she can qualify as a wife?
Yes, I think it's compulsory.
Actually, it's necessary. It's necessary.
It is necessary.
It's so hard because every woman deserves to be married. But at the same time, we live in Africa. A woman should be domesticated.
I can't speak for all these new modern men, all these better boys, all these better males. I can't speak for them because they are dealing with women that don't want to cook, that don't want to clean, that don't want to do nothing. And they're out here simping. They're out here simping, tricking, and allowing women to use them strictly for their money, where they offer nothing in return.
Coming live from Puerto Rico Street. I love women that cook for me. Can you cook for me? Look what she's doing, everybody. I love that shit. I love that shit. I love this shit. Let's go back to the food.
You see.
You ain't doing shit, then you is shit. Thank you.
If you made it this far, hit that like button and leave a comment to trigger YouTube's algorithm. I'm a new channel and I'm trying to grow. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to let you know every time I upload a new video.
Some women are career women, they cannot cook. One of the best career of a woman, the first career a woman should get is knowing how to cook before adding another thing. So the value is supposed to have, it must first of all know how to cook, know how to make the environment is living clean, and know how to control her mouth, not be gossiping.
American men are choosing Asians, not just black men, so are white men. Why? Because Asian women understand if you respect a man, the next thing in line is feed him. Also, Hispanic women understand this to the point. Hispanic women are creating TikTok and YouTube channels, cooking for their man, cooking for their husband, and cooking for their family.
I didn't even hurry up and make dinner, and I just got back from the grocery store because I needed to get some things. So let's get dinner. Alright guys, these are the 7 things you're gonna need for carne asada fries. That's what we're making, that's what my man requested, so that's what we're gonna make him for dinner. You're gonna need some fries, your favorite fries, any fries, some cheese, some aguacates for your guacamole, quesito fresco, chile serranos for your salsa, some tomatillos for your salsa. We like salsa verde in this house. Some sour cream, and marinated meat. All right, we got the meat all cut up here. We got my cacola with the oil. All right, babe, so I have tomatillos.
In a lot of cases that men and women have roles.
Oh, yeah.
All right, well, you say it because people get
you
mad
better
when
believe
I
it.
say
I'm from this. Yeah, you better believe it.
I mean, I know you're from New Orleans, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah, well, I'm only from Jersey,
Yeah,
but I do believe that if he wants a sandwich,
you make daddy a sandwich. No, let me ask you this. Well, okay, let me ask you this. If me and you out, and somebody say something slick to you,
you punch him in the face.
You want me to smack him in his mouth, right?
That's right.
So if I take you on a date and I say, look, baby, we gonna go Dutch.
No.
Exactly. If we walking up to the car and I don't open your car door, what do you say?
Open the door.
You better believe it.
Yeah, no, I am with you. I think
so you make daddy a sandwich.
I think I will after I get out of the shower. But it'll get done.
If I'm outside cutting that grass, bring daddy some lemonade.
First, woman suppose know how to cook, know how to keep herself clean, and how to compose herself in public, and how to make her man happy. A wife must be able to cook. Yes, you must, because the road to a man's heart is through his stomach. You understand? You should be able to give your husband good food.
You can be a career woman. You can be Madam Okonjo-Iweala, and at the same time you are a good homemaker. There's no kind of a woman that is so extremely occupied. You understand? You will be shocked that she's raising the best children at the same time. Her parents are professors, and they were able to raise her.
If my wife doesn't know how to cook, I marry her, which means we end up eating junk along the road, and my children will not know how to cook.
I cannot speak for all men around the globe. However, I can safely say this. Majority of us want respect, a woman that can cook and clean, and a woman that can take care of our children. We don't ask for much.
Oh, thank you. Oh, Lord. But yeah, like I was saying, Red Bean, like I was saying, I think we should just stay friends, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not ready for a relationship. Like, you know, I'm just not ready for all that right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, real talk. Damn. Creepy shit. You say you cooked there? You did there? Cornbread. Cornbread too? This ain't drip, this from scratch? Lord, shit. And you cook this like this all year round. It stays the same taste like this all year round. Well, I don't know, baby, look. You mind if I take my Air Max off? Look, check this out. I'm gonna take my Air Max off for a couple of years because I've been thinking since I've been sitting here eating on this that you might be right. We might do need to get in a relationship because, real talk, I've been hungry lately and these women I've been dealing with, they, you know, this the taste I've been looking for. So, you want to get married tomorrow?
I'm sorry. Now, what do you guys think? Do you agree or do you disagree? Either way, leave your comments below so we can start this conversation. Until the next video, stay safe in the streets. Later. That will wrap it up for today's episode. And thank you for joining me. So please, leave a comment below. If you agree, if you disagree, it doesn't matter. Leave the comment below. And also, you tell me what you want me to cover. You tell me what you want me to discuss and what you want me to react to. Okay? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you on the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's rebuild the Black nuclear family. It is needed. Okay? God bless.